EtterCap is a tool that will allow you to perform ARP-reply spoofing to perform man-in-the-middle attacks on a local area network. This will allow you to sniff traffic going between two target systems or a target system in the network gateway. To perform this demonstration, we need to get the MAC address of our local interface. To do this, open up a shell and use the command ifconfig eth0. Here where it says HW address, copy your MAC address, and then open up Wireshark. Once Wireshark opens, apply a filter for ICMP traffic and only traffic that's going to or from your local MAC address. So use eth.src equals and then that address, or eth.dst equals that address. So that will only return traffic that's ICMP traffic going to and from our local interface. Then select our interface and start sniffing. Once you're collecting traffic, switch over to your victim machine. Then open up command prompt. And from there, use ipconfig to identify your IP address of your target system and the local gateway. And then we want to perform a ping on the gateway IP address. And as you can see, we are receiving ping replies from the gateway. However, we're not currently picking up any traffic on Wireshark from our Kali system. This is to be expected as the traffic is currently being routed correctly. So what we want to do is use EtterCap to try to get between this host and the gateway so that we can capture that ICMP traffic and anything else that travels between the two systems. So to open EtterCap, use EtterCap-G. Once up, select Sniff and Unified Sniffing, and then select your interface and click OK. Then click Host and scan for hosts, and this will scan the local area network. Once that's completed, select Hosts again and then Host List, and this will be the list of all hosts that were identified during that scan. So to begin our man-in-the-middle attack, we first want to select our target system and then select Add to Target 1. And then we want to select the gateway address and click Add to Target 2. Once that's done, select Man-in-the-Middle at the top and ARP Poisoning. And then click OK to start poisoning. Finally, once that's done, select Start and start sniffing. Now that we've performed our man-in-the-middle attack, we'll switch back to our victim machine. And then once again, we'll perform another ping to our gateway address. As you can see, we're still getting traffic back from the gateway. However, if you switch over to your Kali system, you'll see that that traffic is now being routed through our local interface. As you can see here, we have both ICMP echo requests from our target system to the gateway, and then echo replies from the gateway back to the target system. So that is how you can use EtterCap in order to perform a man-in-the-middle attack.